All right, let's talk about bridge loans real quick. A bridge loan is needed when someone needs to transfer equity from their current home into a new home that they're buying without selling it. The best way to access this equity is a home equity line on their current home. They pull the money out, they use it for the down payment on the new home. There's a process to this. We've done it for years. It's not hard, it's simple, and it's not very expensive. However, the catch is I have to qualify that person for 3 mortgages: the current mortgage, the home equity line payment, and then whatever the new mortgage is going to be. Not everybody is going to qualify for that, especially with rates where they are right now. A new option is NOC Bridge Home Loans. What NOC will do is put a guaranteed to purchase on their current home with no financing contingency, meaning I don't have to count their current mortgage payment against them. They will allow them to have access to equity in their home to use as the down payment, which will allow them to buy a house without selling their house and access the equity. It's great. It's a good little bridge loan for them to get the funds out. This will meet a certain market of folks who need to get the equity out to buy a new house, but will not qualify with 3 mortgage payments. There are costs, they're associated with it, but reach out. I can pass those along to you and give you a good contact at NOC to talk through that process with them. Essentially, they'll have 6 months to sell their house with you after they buy the new house. If you have any questions,